To remotely manage your children's devices, ourValues will need to be installed on your device. Sign into your Google Play account and install the ourValues app on your parent device. As you can see, ourValues has already been installed on this device. Tap the ourValues icon and then tap Allow on the message that appears. The app requires this permission to function. Choose Remote Control and tap the right arrow at the top of the screen. If you don't have an ourValues account, tap the free trial sign up button in the middle of the screen and follow the prompts. The email and PIN you use to set up your account will become your parent email and parent PIN. If you already have set up an account, tap Sign In at the bottom right of the screen. Enter the parent email and parent PIN you used to set up your first device, and tap Next. All your account and screen time settings are automatically loaded onto this device, and it's ready to be used. You can now sign in as a parent using your 4-digit parent PIN.